Are you concerned about justice in Zimbabwe? The wait for the CCC bail ruling continues. The ordeal for the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, takes another turn. Interim leader Jameson Timber and 79 activists were arrested on June 16th, accused of participating in an unlawful gathering and disorderly conduct. The courtroom drama intensifies as both the state and defense missed their submission deadlines. Magistrate Ruth Moyo announced the ruling is now postponed to Thursday, June 27th. Gift Siziba, CCC spokesperson, warns the government against provoking peaceful protesters. The message is clear. The citizens of Zimbabwe demand fairness. One activist, Ndapua Sean Timber, received bail, but the majority remain in remand. Among them, a 17-year-old minor. As the nation watches and waits, the question remains, will justice be served? Stay tuned as this story unfolds. The eyes of Zimbabwe are on the courts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.